Ever found yourself navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency, juggling multiple wallets, and wishing for a simpler, more secure way to manage your digital assets? If you're nodding along, then you're exactly who the Bifrost Wallet was designed for. In the fast-paced, ever-evolving landscape of Web3, having a reliable and versatile crypto wallet isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. But with so many options out there, what makes the Bifrost Wallet stand out, and more importantly, what exactly can it do for you? At its core, the Bifrost Wallet is a secure, non-custodial multi-chain wallet that puts you in complete control of your crypto. Non-custodial is key here. It means your private keys, the crucial information that gives you access to your funds, are stored only on your device, never in the cloud or by a third party. This fundamental principle ensures that you are the sole owner of your assets, significantly enhancing your security. But Bifrost Wallet is far more than just a place to store your crypto. It's a comprehensive portal to the Web3 ecosystem. Let's break down its key uses and why it might just become your go-to crypto companion. First and foremost, Bifrost Wallet offers extensive multi-asset support. We're talking about over 1,000 coins and tokens, including major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Dogecoin, along with crucial ecosystem tokens like Flare and Songbird. This means you can manage a diverse portfolio all from a single, intuitive interface, eliminating the need to jump between different wallets for different assets. One of its most powerful features is its deep integration with the Flare and Songbird networks. If you're involved in these ecosystems, Bifrost Wallet is optimized to unlock their full potential. You can easily delegate wrapped FLR, WFLR, automatically claim FTSO rewards and flare drops, manage facets like FXRP, Doge, and FBTC, and seamlessly interact with Flare-native dApps such as Enosis, SparkDEX, and Stargate. It truly acts as your command center for all things Flare. Beyond specific network optimization, Bifrost Wallet boasts a robust dApp browser. This isn't just a fancy add-on, it's your direct gateway to decentralized applications. You can explore and interact with popular dApps like Uniswap, Compound, and SparkDEX directly within the wallet. What's more, Bifrost prioritizes your security by allowing you to review full transaction details before signing, a crucial step to avoid blind signing, which can be a common vulnerability in other wallets. For those looking to expand their crypto holdings, Bifrost Wallet offers convenient fiat on-ramps, allowing you to buy crypto directly within the app using traditional payment methods. This simplifies the onboarding process, making it easier for new users to enter the crypto space. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and Bifrost Wallet takes it seriously. It has undergone independent audits by reputable security firms like Cure53 and FYEO, giving users peace of mind. The team behind Bifrost has extensive experience in building secure crypto wallets, with a continuous focus on testing and reviews to protect your assets. Finally, Bifrost Wallet is committed to privacy. It's built with privacy by design, meaning no ads, no trackers, and a strong emphasis on data minimization. Your data remains yours, a refreshing change in an increasingly data-hungry digital world. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, the Bifrost Wallet offers a comprehensive, secure, and user-friendly experience for managing your digital assets and exploring the exciting world of Web3. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.